Right, so we have here an Apple Watch. This is the box. It includes the watch, and it's the, well, you'll see which one it is when we open it, and the charger and everything in the box. So we're going to open it now. This is the exciting part. So for this, I've got my trusty assistant to hold the camera. Come around here, Nina. Right, Nina's going to hold the camera and just hold it nice and steady.
Okay.
Right, so we're going to use a knife just to make a hole in it. This is my favourite part. Just to the unwrapping. There we go. That's the. Just have a look. That side hasn't got anything on it. Ooh, what we got here? So it comes in a plastic case. See what else is in here? Right. So what's it? This is about the watch by the looks of it. How to put it on. Information and everything that you can do with the watch. There's the strap in there. Okay, or half the strap. And there's the charge plug. And the charge pad for the Apple Watch. So, put them there. Let's open the box. Okay, so let's open this. Looks like you do it like this. There's a little green arrow. Undo that like that. There's a nice shiny box with the Apple logo on. Ooh, oh, okay. That must be for if you've got longer wrists, then yeah. I won't be needing that. So here we are. The Apple Watch in there. Rose gold with lavender strap. There it is. Does it switch on? It's loading up now. Right, so it took a while to come on, but now we can see that it's come on, so let's set it up. Oh, there, we won't be able to set it up now then. But anyway, there you go, there's the Apple Watch. Oh, in its full glory, the 38mm Apple Watch.